In today's video, let's know how to create a WhatsApp group easily just in few minutes.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a...
Welcome back to my channel Dr. Technosaurus NDL, and today let's know how to create a WhatsApp group just in few minutes. First, let's go to WhatsApp, tap on the option called new group. Then select the contact which you would like to add them in the group. The contacts that you would like to add in the group would also be shown here, but it's very easy and it also saves time if you search the name of the contact in the search bar and select the contacts. But in my case I need to add around 10 to 11 participants, so it takes some time. The maximum number of participants or the contacts that you can add in a single group is just limited to 256 participants according to the WhatsApp terms. That means no single group can have more than 256 participants in the group. So my kind information to you is that please share this video to those who don't know how to create WhatsApp group, and if you find this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button or the like button, and also do subscribe to my channel to get more such kind of videos. As you can see, I am going on adding the participants to the group. After selecting all the participants, tap on the option called next. Now after completing those steps, here you need to type the name of the WhatsApp group. For example, I am typing the group name as MPS Kannada class. Also, you can type in your own group name accordingly. You can also use emojis in the group name as well. It would also look attractive. But in my case, I am creating a group for students, so I am not using any type of emojis. Finally, check out the participants that you have added to the group. Verify if anyone is missing. Then tap on create. Now the WhatsApp group is created. It's very simple, right? Tap on the group name. It goes to the group info, and here check all the participants you have added. Then tap on the option called group settings. Tap on the option send messages, and now tap on the option only admins. Through enabling this feature, only admins can message in the group. Now as you can see, only admins get the option to message in the group. The other non-admin participants will not be able to message in the group, and everybody would be knowing that only admins can add participants or invite them. Now let us know how to remove a participant from the group. First, go to group info. Now here select a participant whom you would like to remove from the group. Now you can see an option called remove from group. Tap on the option. Now it asks you again for the confirmation. Tap on remove. Now let's know how to add a participant to the group. First, go to the group info. You can find an option called add participants. Then search the name of the contact that you would like to add. After that, tap on the option add. Tap on the option add. Now the participant is added to the group. Finally, like, share and subscribe.